Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add text in CapCut PC. This is one of the most useful editing skills to learn, because text can help you add instructions, captions, titles, labels, reminders, or quick tips directly on your video. Whether you're making tutorials, short-form videos, gaming edits, business videos, or social media content, adding clean text makes your video easier to understand and more professional. To get started, move your mouse to the top left area of the CapCut interface and click on the Text tab. This is where CapCut keeps all of its text tools and presets, so if you want to place words on your video, this is the section you'll be working from. You may also see different text styles, effects, and templates here. But for this tutorial, we're going to keep things simple and use the basic text option first. Starting with default text is best because it gives you full control over the wording, size, placement, and style. Right underneath that tab, you'll see a tray of text options. Look for the card labeled Default Text. On that thumbnail, there's a small blue plus icon. Go ahead and click it. As soon as you do, CapCut automatically adds a brand new text layer directly onto your timeline. This is the fastest way to create a basic text overlay that you can fully customize. A text layer works just like a video or audio layer, which means you can move it, trim it, extend it, and place it exactly where you want it to appear in your video. Next, go down to your timeline and click once on the new brown text layer to make sure it's selected. This part matters because if the layer isn't highlighted, the settings on the right may not apply to the correct item. Once it's selected, look up to the top right Properties panel. You'll find a large text input box there. Click inside that box, delete the default wording, and type the message you want to display on screen. This is where you can add anything from a simple title to a step-by-step instruction, depending on the type of video you're editing. For example, you might enter an instruction like press Ctrl+Z to undo. As you type, CapCut updates the text instantly in the preview monitor, which makes it easy to see your changes in real time without needing to render or confirm anything first. This real-time preview is helpful because you can quickly check if the text is readable, if it fits inside the frame, and if it looks good with the background of your video. For tutorials, short instructions like this are especially useful because viewers can follow the action without pausing or guessing what you mean. After your text is written, you can position it so it fits nicely with your video. Move your cursor over to the center preview monitor, then click and hold directly on the text. Drag it downward so it sits near the bottom of the screen. This is a useful placement because it helps keep the text visible without covering the main subject or important action in your footage. For example, if you're editing a screen recording, placing the text at the bottom can keep the main buttons, tools, or menu items clear for the viewer. Once the text is in the right area, look for the white circular handles around the text box. Click and drag one of the corner handles outward to make the text larger. Scaling from the corners is a simple way to improve readability while keeping the text balanced on screen. Try not to make the text too small, especially if your video will be watched on mobile, because small text can be hard to read. A good tip is to play back a few seconds of your video and check whether the text is easy to read quickly without distracting from the main content. And that's it. You've added clean overlay text and custom on-screen instructions to your timeline in just a few moments. This is a quick and practical way to make your edits clearer, more informative, and easier for viewers to follow. Once you get comfortable with this basic method, you can also explore font styles, colors, shadows, outlines, animations, and text effects to make your videos look even better.